Hey folks, Kevin here. Well, it's June 22nd, 2018, and yesterday, June 21st, 2018, I did my first of the seasonal GoPro Karma aerial flyovers of the gardens. Now, over the last month, you've seen us set up in a series of videos, setting up each one of the garden plots. Like there's the central garden, over here is the east gardens, and the west gardens are over there and the other side of the workshop over there. And my thoughts are, this year what I'd like to do is try something different. Instead of doing the garden walkthroughs and talking about how the garden's doing and adding GoPro Karma footage at the end of it, I thought what I'd do is try regularly doing both. So setting up one, let's say every week or every couple of weeks, depending on how busy I am with the other projects. Posting a video of the flyover the gardens so that you can go back and compare, sort of a playlist of this season's flyovers. And the second thing I want to do is do regular walkthroughs if we can do it. Thea and I both together going through and talking about, geez, what is working and what isn't working, and what our plans are for tweaking things for in the future as well. So that's my thought. This is going to be a short intro today, and we're just going to do a GoPro Karma flyover of the gardens, just to look at the circumstances and see how the gardens are laid out from an overview, an aerial perspective, if you will. So please feel free to ask questions and leave comments. Let me know what you're thinking about this plan and all. And if you like it, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, hit the bell icon if you want to be notified when we post more videos. And by all means, folks, have a fantastic day. Bye-bye now.